When it comes to rock drumming, these 5 drummers are often considered among the best due to their technical skill, creativity, and influence on the genre. John Bonham, Led Zeppelin. Known for his powerful style and impeccable timing, John Bonham is widely regarded as one of the greatest drummers in rock history. His work on tracks like When the Levee Breaks and Moby Dick showcases his unparalleled skill. Neil Peart, Rush. Neil Peart was a technical genius known for his complex time signatures and elaborate drum solos. His work with Rush, especially on albums like 2112 and Moving Pictures, has inspired countless drummers. Keith Moon, The Who. Keith Moon's chaotic and energetic drumming style was a perfect match for The Who's explosive sound. His performances on songs like Won't Get Fooled Again are legendary for their intensity and inventiveness. Ginger Baker, Cream. Ginger Baker brought jazz influences to rock drumming, creating a unique and influential style. His work with Cream, particularly on tracks like Sunshine of Your Love, helped define the sound of classic rock. Dave Grohl, Nirvana, Foo Fighters. Before becoming the frontman for Foo Fighters, Dave Grohl was the hard-hitting drummer for Nirvana. His powerful drumming on songs like Smells Like Teen Spirit played a key role in the grunge movement of the early 1990s. These drummers have left a lasting impact on rock music, influencing countless musicians and continuing to inspire new generations of drummers.